Hey David, we got your A9L computer done, and I think we found some good news. This guy here, this capacitor, was the trace was completely broken. It was totally disconnected. So we've repaired that one. It's a little ugly, but it works. And then we replaced all three capacitors and the conformal coating and stuff. So there's the replacement ones. So I think you're going to have a positive result. If I had to guess, I think that this capacitor was not working right, and that capacitor, in my experience, seems to be related to the mass air meter. If the mass air meter doesn't work right, or this computer's not receiving those mass air signals correctly because of that problem, my best guess is this computer is going to run off of a backup table called Aircharge with Failed MAF, which is basically plugging in airflow values for you instead of actually measuring them. That table is notoriously on the rich side, so you might have a car that is extra rich and down on power. That might explain your symptoms that the car lost power. So I'm optimistic that what we found is dovetailing with your complaints. So we got some new capacitors in there. We got that trace fixed. And now we'll give it a little bench test. This is power, this is check engine light, this is fuel pump, and this is voltage regulator. The fuel pump should run for 1 second when we turn the key on. And it does. Check engine light comes on when the key is on, and then this is code pulling mode. You can see I got 5 volts on the regulator, that's correct. After this thing sporadically does that thing right there, it should start blinking trouble codes at you. That's just because it's on the bench and there's nothing plugged in. It's going to have all kinds of codes. Which ones they are isn't important because it's setting all kinds of codes on the bench. What's important is that it's thinking clearly and acting as we would expect it to. I think we're going to have a successful repair here. Thanks.